Hey guys, what's up? So as you can see, we are in a totally different setting. My hair is already done, my makeup's already done, and yeah. But today I'm going to be finally doing an unboxing clothing haul. Never done one on my channel, but I'm very excited for this one because it's going to be winter clothing from Shein, and I did a huge haul and I'm super excited to show you guys everything I got. So I'm going to be doing two parts to this video because I received first part of the order and the other order has yet to arrive. It's very funny because the order that I ordered last came first, but that's great because this order has a lot of clothes and a lot of things that I've been excited to get so that I can be rocking around the Christmas tree in my outfits. Anyways, so let's get started. Like I said, this haul is on Shein. I went crazy on the app and I did use Paybright. That is just something that you can use if you're on a budget like me or you don't want to go crazy with your money. This type of payment plan is perfect for you. So I do use Paybright. I do pay $12 every 2 weeks for both of the orders that I made, which we'll talk about the other one when it arrives. But I did use Paybright. Paybright is a great alternative if you're on a budget and you're trying to save some money, but you still want some clothes because you still want to look cute like me. So let's get started. Everything came in a big box. In this box, because I ordered so many clothes. I have so many clothes, but all of my clothes are all summer clothes. Like, I do not have winter clothes. Like, you'd be very surprised that I'm from Canada and it's winter every year that I would have a whole bunch of winter clothes. But your girl stocks up on summer clothes because summer is when it's popping and that's when you can rock all those outfits because all of your clothes that you're wearing are not underneath a jacket. But for the winter, I needed to stock up on some clothes. So without further ado, let's get it started. And if anyone is wondering about this sweater, this is actually a Canadian owned brand by Roots, and I just love this sweater. My boyfriend actually got it for me, so very cozy, and it does have the Canadian symbol or Canadian flag on it. Well, not the flag, but like the symbol. Hopefully that made sense. That will send him. Let's get started. I'm going to be starting off with my favorite item that I received. So let me just grab it. So anyways, it came in this baggie. I did try on everything that you guys are going to see. When I seen it, I literally tried on everything to make sure it fit. Because if you're plus size like me, then you know that sometimes clothes don't fit how they should be fitting. So yeah. And I will put the price and everything for every item that I got on the screen, just in case somebody wants to purchase these items. So the first thing that I ordered, that I received, or one of the favorite things that I had ordered from Shein is actually something you guys probably saw on my Instagram. If you are following me on Instagram, then you probably already saw it. So here it is this cute pajama onesie that I received from Shein. So lovely, I love it. And you guys will see it on me here on the side. Let's make room for myself. Hey Kayla, you can see yourself? Yeah, great. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. Now the material is very soft and cozy. Like, you can literally fall asleep in this. Like, I literally wanted to wear it like the whole time when I got it, but you guys, I wanted to save it for the video, modeling it, and then, you know, whatever afterwards. So this is what it looks like. It has little hearts, little gray hearts, and it has this cute pom-pom on it. These little pom-poms here, and there actually is drawstring for the hood, and you guys will see in the side by side. I'll show you guys in the back. Very cute. And of course the zipper to put it on. So this is a onesie. I got this in the size 5XL. I believe it was $39.99, and it ranges from large to 5XL. So if you're like me and you're a little bit scared to grab something like this because you don't know if it's gonna fit properly, then grab yourself a size 5XL, because girl usually wears 4X, but I chose 5XL in all the items I ordered just because I did actually purchase a couple of items before in 4X and they felt a little bit too small, and we will get to something in a moment, but let's just continue on. So yeah, this was $39.99. I will put the price here on the screen for you guys to see the price for everything. It wasn't very expensive, but I mean, some people might find it, but a onesie for an adult, I had to grab it. I had to get it. So that is the first item, one of my favorites that I got. I'll definitely be wearing this on Christmas Day. So the next two items are actually going to be two pieces, and I got two of the same things, but two different colors. So it's going to be a tracksuit from Shein, and I did get them in the size 5XL. So let's open it up. So here are the pants. I'll show you guys the pants first. So here are the pants. Okay, and I'll do a little close-up of my pants as well for you guys in the modeling video. So here they are. These are really, really cute because they have a stripe right down the side, and surprisingly they come with pockets. And ladies, we never get pockets in our clothes, so I'm very happy that these pants have some pockets. These are great. But one thing I must say is they're kind of a little bit too thin. You guys won't really see it, but like, y'all, this is way too thin for me. And if you're from Canada, or you are Canadian or whatever, or it's like winter in your area, then you know that things that are too thin will not keep you warm. So my idea is that I will probably wear some tights underneath, or like long johns, just to make sure that I'm warm when I'm outside, because girl, the winters here in Canada are brutal. And then my favorite part is the sweater part. You guys will see in the side by side, it comes with a little rose. I thought it was so cute. And the stripes, I just thought it was super, super adorable. Like, so cute. I loved it. But in the side by side, guys, you guys are going to see that the sweater isn't really, it doesn't really cover my belly area, like right there. Like I have a pretty thin upper body, and then like just the middle part is like the chubbiest portion of me. So like the sweater will not go all the way down to cover, but that's fine with me because I don't mind crop tops, especially if the pants match with it. You guys will see in the video, it doesn't look too obvious, but like sometimes I hate when sweaters like ride up, and like sometimes I actually want my fat to be covered. But hey, girl can only do whatever. And of course the arms have lovely stripes here, pink and gray, so cute. And this is also in a size 5XL, and it does say Shein Curve, made in China here on the tag. So cute, so lovely. So yeah, that is the first tracksuit. And then the second tracksuit is pretty much the same, just in a different color. So let me show you guys. So it is the same. The second tracksuit is the same as the first one. The only thing is that it's blue. So the stripes on the side of the pants are blue and gray. And then for the sweater, it's the same thing. It's just the top part is blue, not pink. And it still has the rose, super cute. So like I said, the material is fairly thin, so you will want to wear something underneath. I'm not too worried about like the sweater because I do have a very thick winter jacket, so I know that it will keep me warm. But the only thing, like I said, is the pants. You must, if you are in a winter season and you're in an area where it's winter all the time, you're definitely gonna need some like tights underneath, or like some long johns, or like whatever you have to wear underneath the pants. So those are the two tracksuits that I got, and I love them despite its quality, whatever. They're still super cute, and I'm definitely going to be wearing them for sure. So another thing that I'm going to need for the winter, especially going outside, is some pants. Okay, your girl needed some pants. So majority of the time, like, I do have sweaters, I'm not gonna lie, I have a lot of sweaters, but like I needed pants. Like my jeans, I have probably 2 pairs of jeans and like a few pairs of sweatpants, but I needed more pants. Like, okay, I needed more. But here I did get these ribbed tights. You can see these are like ribbed tights here, and this is like a fake little string here. So just grab these for myself. These are just great. You can just pop these on if you're running to go shopping. Super nice, super cute, super simple. So I grabbed this for myself, and this is also in the size 5XL, and it has a tag that says Shein Curve. So I did grab this for myself, and you guys will see I did pair that with a top or a sweater, whatever I paired it with. You guys see it there right now. So like I said, I will put here on the screen for the pricing of these, just as for the tracksuits. They're like $20-something. I'm not exactly sure the exact price, but I will put that here on the screen, or I will have already put it on the screen. I'll give you guys all the prices down below because your girl is unorganized. I should have wrote it down. Now that, you know, we're in quarantine, we can't really go outside for the winter. You know, I needed to get myself some pajamas. So let's open it. Let's open it up, y'all. So I got myself a 2-piece pajama set. Now, isn't this cute? Isn't this, you guys are gonna see it. You guys are gonna see it. When you can see it, see it. But this is so cute, you guys. The pajama pants are probably my favorites, and let's be real, I'll probably be wearing these as tights. These are super, super cute. The ends are very nice, or on the ends of the ankle area, very cute. Yo, these are super cute. Like, I have shorts that are like this, but these are so cute. I'm so excited to wear these, cozy up by the Christmas tree on Christmas Eve, have a nice cup of cocoa and marshmallows. You guys, I live for that. Like, I'm so excited. This pajama set is so cute. So for the top, it says, "Just be you." I thought that was so cute, so adorable, and you know, it's just better to just be yourself than to be anyone else. So this is cute, definitely adorable. Can't wait to wear this in the nighttime. And this is also in a size 5XL. It does not have a tag. And shout out to Malibu Stacy's girlfriend. You know, some of these items do not have tags. Some of them do, but not all. Let me just look and check, because sometimes they do and it's just hidden. Oh wait, yeah, they do. My bad, right? But yeah, this is also in a size 5XL, and I will put here on the screen how much it was. So that is the 2-piece pajama sets from Shein. So cute, right? So the last thing that I got, I decided to save it for last because this is actually my Christmas outfit, my Christmas dress, I would say. The other stuff are taking way too long to get here. I actually came up with like an outfit for Christmas, but those stuff are taking forever. But I did order this dress that I really, really wanted to have. So here it is, and you guys will see I am gonna pair it. So here's the dress, okay? So that's what it looks like. And this is also in a size 5XL. And here is a little string. You guys will see me style it on the side here. So I did pair it with these tights, these legging things, are these leg warmers? I don't even know what these are called, but these little things that you wear under dresses and stuff, and it makes your feet smooth to throw in boots. So nice. And I did pair them with my heels. And these heels are actually from Walmart, believe it or not. I've had these for some time now. These are actually from Walmart. So yeah, I paired it with these and these stockings, right? I paired it with these stockings. So that dress, super cute, super affordable and adorable. And I did end up putting on this body thing just because, you know, guys. But that is the dress. I'm going to be wearing it on Christmas. I just thought it would be super cute that despite Corona, you know, you could still dress up and be adorable. So this is what it looks like. It's just a cute, it looks like a t-shirt type material type of dress. And this is also in a 5X and it has like strings on it. So cute, so adorable. And you guys will see it here, there. Thought it was super cute, but something I realized is some of the pictures are very intriguing. Like they trick you, like they will look really cute and then when you receive it, it's like, huh, what? That's exactly how I felt. But that is the dress, y'all. This is gonna be my Christmas dress. You guys will definitely see a whole Christmas look. My face, my hair, makeup. I just said that. You guys will see the whole 100. I'm super excited to do that. So guys, with that being said, this brings me to the end of part 1 of my Shein haul. I'm super excited that I finally got to buy myself some winter clothes. The girl's making money if she wants to spend that cake. Was I canceled? Did they just say I'm canceled? Hold on a second. Someone just called me. Someone just said I'm canceled. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I didn't want to make this video too long because the girl wanted to show off the outfits and come to the table with the clothes, because I know everybody has been waiting and I have just been super excited. I'm gonna go and try on these clothes. I hope the side-by-side came out perfect, y'all. So anyways, you guys know what to do. Hit that red subscribe button, like, comment, and share with your chunky gals for this Shein haul, because this is all plus size. And you guys, the total that I paid is right here. And like I said, I'm on a budget, and I know you are too. Check out the Paybright with the Shein app, because you might be able to use it too. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in another Kayla's Curls video. Nike.